Cambodia's economy has witnessed an impressive rate of growth in the past decade. While many benefit from increased prosperity and improved access to health and education, children from poorer families continue to suffer hardship and economic instability. Violence, exploitation, abuse, HIV, and family separation persistently affect a large segment of Cambodian society. Parents, communities, civil society organisations and the Cambodian government are committed to addressing these concerns, but much still remains to be done. As part of a global initiative, faith-based organisations in Cambodia recently came together to promote and protect the well-being of children. The Day of Prayer and Action for Children was organised by UNICEF, the Royal Government of Cambodia and the country's Buddhist Leadership. Faith communities have long been indispensable partners in UNICEF's work to advance children's rights. Religious leaders in Cambodia, Buddhist, Muslim and Christian, are highly respected in their communities. They play an important role as agents of social change and can help to protect vulnerable children and their families. On the Day of Prayer and Action for Children, religious leaders joined forces to promote and support family and community care for children and protect them from violence, exploitation and abuse, especially those most at risk. The religious leaders are promoting 5 key child protection messages. Keeping children within their own families and communities, including those affected by HIV and those with disabilities, puts them in a better position to become fully functioning members of society. The initiative aims to provide families with material, spiritual and emotional support, as well as help poor families to obtain essential services. In Cambodia, violence against children, whether physical or sexual, through neglect or child trafficking, is a significant issue. All violence has a negative impact on children's health, growth, development and well-being. Faith communities can speak out against all forms of violence against children and help to reduce the acceptance of violence as a way to resolve conflict. Children and adults living with HIV or other chronic illnesses are among the most vulnerable in society. For orphans and children at risk, HIV can significantly affect their lives. Religious leaders and their clergy are being encouraged to promote safe and healthy behaviours to prevent HIV transmission and to help challenge the discrimination faced by people living with HIV. Education is a fundamental right of every child. Support is needed to raise awareness on the harmful impact of child labour on tens of thousands of Cambodian children, and on the importance of education in breaking the cycle of poverty faced by many families. The rights of all children are guided by 4 principles: that they should not suffer discrimination, that their best interest should be at the heart of all actions, that they should survive and develop, and that their views should be taken into account in decisions that affect them. Faith communities can encourage awareness of child rights and these guiding principles. Through the Day of Prayer and Action for Children, Cambodia's religious leaders are raising their collective voices and engaging with communities to advocate for and safeguard the well-being and fundamental rights of the country's young population. By working together, UNICEF, the Royal Government of Cambodia, and the country's religious communities can play a vibrant role in strengthening children's rights and improving their lives.